I'm having a really bad day. So I was like, ugh, I don't feel like filming, but no, that's where it starts. That's where my downfall will start. So I've decided to change my mind and do a monochromatic blue look today. So if you want to see everything turn blue, then just keep watching. And as usual, everything that I use today will be listed in the box below if you'd like to know. My brows are more purple than blue, but we're just gonna go with it. Alright, so now we're gonna go into my Moon Dust palette again, and we're gonna pick Vega, which is this blue right here. I'm gonna put that kind of in the center of the lid. Alright, and so now I'm gonna finish my non-blue makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, eyes, foundation, bronzer and stuff are done. So now we're gonna go on to liner. And this is the Docce. I always want to say douche because that's what it looks like, but it doesn't say douche. It's the one that we got a lot long ago in BoxyCharm. This is the blue color, and this color is sick. Like, it's sick. Oh, no. I didn't get this in BoxyCharm, I'm totally lying. One of my last Allure unboxings. And I've just been dying to use this, so now's the perfect time. Oh, wow. It is just as good as it like swatches. That is always really impressive to see. All right, now I was debating, and I asked my friend Krista this. I'm like, what should I do? Should I do like everything blue, like blue blush, blue this? She's like, yeah, do everything blue. But now when I think on it, I'm like, ugh, cools like green and blue and purple and stuff tend to look bruisey on me. I don't know why, but I feel like a blue blush just might be pushing it. So I decided to use just like not a cool blush, but like a more muted blush than what I would usually go for. I feel like this will complement the blue color just nicely. So, and this is the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Blush in Fetish. And next is, I haven't actually gotten to use this yet. I swatched it, but that was it. This is the new Essence Pure Nude Cosmolighter. And this is a holographic lighter. It's kind of more of a greeny bluish yellow, not necessarily blue. I don't have any blue highlighters, so I decided I wanted to use this one to kind of complement the look that we have going today. And actually, I want to know something. Ooh, that was gorgeous. So like the OG highlighter, like their first one they came out with that was like one shade and that was it. People swear by that, and it's fine, but is anybody else just not crazy about it like me? I mean, it's not bad, I'm just not like wowed as everybody else seems to be. That is pretty. And last but not least is the Jeffree Star lipstick in Blue Velvet. I got this like years ago at the master class I went to. Hopefully it's still good. I look at the Queen of Hearts right now from Adventures in Wonderland, Alice in Wonderland. Adventures in Wonderland. Does anybody else remember that? Any old people like me? I feel like my issue with this is actually the wand because it's very fuzzy. Ah, it's all over my teeth. Very sexy. It's not perfect on my lips, but I'm just stopping now because it's kind of becoming a mess. So what do you guys think? That's the finished look. I'm thinking of doing orange next. I don't know. Leave it in the box below what you think, unless I already did it because I'm not doing these in a certain order. So that was it. Again, everything I used today is in the box below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.